Hi guys, today we're gonna perform one of the most interesting arm balancing asanas, the Bakasana, also known as the crow pose. The crow pose is a balancing asana in Hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise. We wanna master the crow pose in 5 simple steps and gonna explain about the mistakes in details. Step 1 is a sitting position. This position is also called Malasana. Step 2 is the hand placement. Majority of people place their fingers too close together. This way they are not able to activate their wrist and forearm flexors. The best way to get a solid foundation is to keep your fingers as wide as possible. Step 3 is the placement of your elbows. Make sure your elbows are not falling out or falling in. You want to keep your elbows always in line with your shoulders and your wrist. Inward or outward placements of hands can cause you serious shoulders, elbows or wrist injury. Please avoid them. The best way to place your hands is to make sure your fingers are pointing forward and always in line with your shoulders, your knees, your elbows and your wrist. Your knees or bottom of the knees under your armpit directly or anywhere on your triceps depending on your comfort. And the final step, you just don't want to do this mistake. Low hips will never get you up. The more you keep your butt away from your heels, the better balance you'll get. And last, as you can see, we have combined all the steps together. Focus on the posture very carefully. I hope you liked the video guys. See you soon and take care. Toodles.